Every car insurance policy in New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, and PEI has a minimum amount of benefits and coverage as defined by law. If you have insurance in these provinces, you are guaranteed at least a minimum amount of benefits and coverage. These benefits apply to all motor vehicles, including cars, trucks, ATVs, snowmobiles, and motorcycles. Insurance policies are divided into 4 different sections. The section that you may be able to get compensation from depends on the type of claim you may have. The first section is Section A. This is most commonly known as PLPD, or Public Liability and Property Damage. This section covers you if somebody makes a claim against you because you were at fault or partially at fault in a motor vehicle accident. Inversely, if you were injured in a motor vehicle accident and it's somebody else's fault, you may be able to claim against the faulty person's Section A insurance. Section B is accident benefits. You are entitled to these by your own insurance company. You're entitled to these benefits whether it's a single vehicle or a multi-vehicle accident. You are also entitled to these benefits regardless of whose fault the accident was. These benefits cover things like medical treatments or part of your lost wages if you cannot go back to work following the accident. Section C is the only optional part of your car insurance policy. It's commonly known as comprehensive coverage. Now, since this is optional, you may choose to get varying levels of coverage. For example, you may choose to get a deductible on your policy or have no deductible at all. If your vehicle is damaged and there's no other vehicles involved, for example, if you hit an animal on the highway or if you hit a barrier in a parking lot, you may choose to put a claim through your own insurance policy's Section C. If you choose to put a claim through, Section C will either pay to repair your vehicle or give you the value of your vehicle if your vehicle is written off. Finally, Section D is a little bit like Section A, except it protects you against an unknown driver, a hit and run for example, or an uninsured driver, if these drivers are at fault or partially at fault. If you're in a car accident involving another driver, you may soon receive a call from that driver's insurance company. They might want to ask you questions about your injuries or how the accident happened, but it's very important that you know your legal rights before talking to any representative of insurance companies.